busted out my track leathers for today. First time wearing full leathers in a while, baby. So, and I do Olympic weightlifting, and I have gained since last, probably December, I've gained about 15 pounds or so of mass. And putting on my leathers today, I was like, oh, these are tighter than last time, which is a great thing, because I've only been working on getting stronger and gaining weight. So that's always a good feeling when you put clothes on that you haven't in a while, and it's like, oh, we have gotten much bigger. I don't suggest anyone rides like me. I guess I should say that more on YouTube. Like, don't try to ride like me just because I'm riding this way and uploading these videos. Like, I am not a professional of any kind. I am just a regular guy, but I still don't suggest that anyone, rides the same way. Ride your ride. Enjoy your ride. Y'all ever just be standing here with your bike, and then one little rock decides to make you have a heart attack under your foot and just slips, causes your foot to slip, and you're like, oh, here I go. I've had so many people wave at me today. I don't get it. This is like that was like the 5th person that's waved at me. I guess everyone knows me around here and wants to wave at me, so, you know, I'll take it. Yeah! Sucks, dude. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's like, oh, this road sucks. Here you go. Here's a nice road. Oh, thank you. There's the lake. Such a different day from people being on the lake fishing versus me. Literally being as patient as they can, waiting for a fish to nibble at their lure. And I'm just like, bah, bah, bah. Yeah. I guess there's 2 different lifestyles, and I know which one I'm choosing. But hey, that's just me. Texas is really bad about it, countryside. But my gosh, the amount of stuff these people accumulate in their yards is just crazy. It's like, what do you do with all this stuff? Just gonna practice some wheelies. I just can't. I'm scared. I'm a little wimp. I'm too scary. I'm freaking, you know. It's been too long that I've been practicing. But hey, again, we're practicing. But when I get just like a tiny bit too far, I'm like, I'm gonna poop myself. And then I let it down. So that's where we're at. There we go. That was a little bit better, but the thing is, you want to practice getting better at pulling it up higher, so that way you're not chasing the wheelie, and when you let the wheel down, you're not going like 120 and create a death wobble. Because the faster you go or are going when you let it down and the wheel's like almost stopped, that tiny bit that you don't have that wheel straight, it's just gonna, and then, you know, you're gonna poop yourself again. So if you're gonna do wheelies, you're just gonna poop yourself a lot. So just letting you know. At least I gave you a heads up. Wear diapers.